Hey guys, we're going to do number 5 in your chapter 3 homework. So it's about the price of trade. So suppose Spain and Denmark can both produce fish and stained glass. Spain's opportunity cost of producing 1 pane of stained glass is 4 pounds of fish, while Denmark's opportunity cost of producing 1 pane of stained glass is 10 pounds of fish. So first, by comparing the opportunity cost of producing stained glass in the two countries, you can tell which has a comparative advantage production for stained glass, and then which has a comparative advantage production for fish. Now, guys, remember from the definition of comparative advantage, is that whoever can produce the good at a lower opportunity cost, that will be the comparative advantage. So if you look at the country of Spain and Denmark, so in Spain, producing 1 stained glass will cost you 4 pounds of fish, while in Denmark, it will cost you 10 pounds of fish. So which means that Spain will have a lower opportunity cost in the production of stained glass because it only costs 4 pounds of fish, but Denmark costs 10 pounds. So we can tell that in the production for stained glass, it will be Spain having the comparative advantage. Now, for the production of fish, to find the opportunity cost for the production of fish, what you need to do, see the number 4 over here, flip over, that will be the opportunity cost for production of fish. So the opportunity cost for the production of fish will be 1/4 of a stained glass. Okay, so flip over, reciprocal. Okay, and then while in Denmark, to produce 1 fish, it will cost you 1/10 of a stained glass. So also flip the 10 over to 1/10. So between 1/4 and 1/10, who is lower, this 1/10 will be lower. So which means that Denmark will have a lower opportunity cost for the production of fish. And another thing to remember that the thing for the comparative advantage is always one country, one comparative advantage. You can never have one country with both comparative advantage. So if you already know that Spain is good in production of stained glass, that means automatically Denmark must be good in production for fish. Now next, suppose Spain and Denmark consider trading stained glass and fish with each other. Spain can gain from specialization and trade as long as receive more than how many of fish for each pane of stained glass export to Denmark. Now, in Spain, when they produce 1 stained glass, it will cost them 4 pounds of fish. So if Spain can sell this stained glass to other country for more than 4 pounds of fish, then they're better off. Right, so as long as the Spain can sell this stained glass for more than 4 pounds of fish, then they're doing good. Now, similarly, Denmark can gain from trade as long as receive more than how many of stained glass for each pound of fish. Now, remember we said that in Denmark, the opportunity cost for stained glass is 10 pounds of fish. So you flip that over, that means the opportunity cost of fish is 1/10 of a stained glass. So if Denmark can sell this fish for more than 1/10 of a stained glass, then they're doing good. Okay, so this answer should be more than 1/10. So whatever is more than their own opportunity cost, that's the answer over here. Another way to think about it, imagine if, let's talk about number first. Okay, so let's suppose this. Suppose in Denmark, when Denmark produce 1 pound of fish, it costs them $5. So if Denmark can sell the 1 pound of fish for more than $5, then they're doing good, right? So same thing over here. So if Denmark, when they produce 1 pound of fish, it costs them 1/10 of a stained glass. When they can sell this fish for more than 1/10 of stained glass, then they're doing good, right? So as long as more than their opportunity cost, then the country should trade with other countries. Now, last one, based on your answer to the last question, which of following prices of trade would allow both Denmark and Spain to gain from trade? Now, the key here is that allow both countries to gain from trade. So that this trade, the price of it, it has to be between 4 pounds of fish and 10 pounds of fish for each stained glass. Now, let me give you an example. Okay, so let's suppose that you're Spain, and then currently the trade says for every stained glass, you can sell that for 3 pounds of fish. Well, if you're Spain, you're not going to be happy because it will cost you 4 pounds of fish, right? So anything less than 4 pounds of fish, Spain wouldn't do it because that's just too cheap. Spain wouldn't want to sell this fish Spain wouldn't want to sell their stained glass for more than 4 pounds of fish. Otherwise, it's just too cheap. They wouldn't make money out of it. Now, so anything more than 4 is good. Now for Denmark, remember in Denmark, when they produce the each stained glass will cost them 10 pounds of fish. So for Denmark, for anything more than 10 pounds, they wouldn't do it, right? Because imagine you're Denmark and you're the buyer of stained glass. So you're gonna buy stained glass. Now, if you produce stained glass by yourself, it'll cost you 10 pounds of fish. But now somebody comes over and says, hey, why don't you buy our stained glass? And we're gonna sell this to you for 12 pounds of fish. And then if you're Denmark, you're thinking, why should I buy from you? Because if I can do it myself, it only costs me 10 pounds of fish. But if I buy from you, you charge me 12 pounds, I lose money, right? So I'm gonna do that myself. So for Denmark, for them to buy stained glass, that this price for stained glass has to be less than 10 pounds of fish. So for this trade to work between Spain and Denmark, the price for it has to be between 4 and 10. So for our answer choices here, we'll have 9. Oh, that sounds pretty good. So that might be the right answer. 3 is too less. It's not enough because Spain wouldn't make money. 1 is just not good at all. Spain will hate that. 18 too high. Denmark wouldn't work with it. So the only right answer we have is going to be 9 pounds of fish. Okay. All right. So that's good enough. Hopefully get everything right. All right. That's everything. Okay. So guys, that's how you do number 5 for chapter 3. Have any question? Let me know. All right. Good luck. Bye bye.